Sun breathing requires the user to synchronize their breathing with the sun's movements to create a powerful energy that can be used in battle. One of the key features of sun breathing is the ability to generate intense heat. This heat can be used to burn and disintegrate demons, making it an incredibly effective technique against them and their regenerative abilities. Sun breathing grants the user even more enhanced strength, speed, and agility compared to other breathing styles, as it allows the user to move and fight with incredible speed and precision. As it is the original breathing style, it also requires a natural affinity towards the sun, and requires a technique to properly wield its effect, such as the Dance of the Fire God technique, or also known as the Hinokami Kagura. So that's why,